Dumelang, welcome back to Setswana class with Maria. Today we are going to learn 10 Setswana phrases that every tourist should know. Yes, you have me right. Every tourist should know. Okay, we're gonna start with Dumela. Dumela is hello or hi. Everywhere you go, you have to start with greetings. So you're gonna say Dumela, which is hi or hello. Another one is Ke a leboga. Ke a leboga means thank you. Ke a leboga is thank you. The next one is Ke kopa metsi. Ke kopa metsi, which is may I have water, please. May I have water, please. The other one is O tsogile jang or le tsogile jang. When you say O tsogile jang, you're referring to one person. O tsogile jang. But when you say le tsogile jang, is a group of people that you say le tsogile jang. So it's how are you? Le tsogile jang kgotsa o tsogile jang, it's how are you? Yes. Another one is ke teng or ke tsogile. Ke teng or ke tsogile, which is I'm fine. I'm fine. Ke teng or ke tsogile, I'm fine. Ke tswa USA. Ke tswa USA, or wherever you're coming from, you say ke tswa USA or ke tswa China, which is I'm from USA or I'm from China. That's why you say that's what you say. Ke tswa USA or ke tswa China, or wherever you're coming from, you say I'm from USA. Another one is ke batla go reka. Ke batla go reka. This one is the one that you use when you go into the shops and you want to buy something and you say ke batla go reka. I want to buy. I want to buy. Yes. The other one is ke bokahe. Ke bokahe, meaning how much is it? How much is it? Yes, ke bokahe, how much is it? The other one is tsamaya sentle. Tsamaya sentle, which is safe travels. You say this to someone who's leaving. You say tsamaya sentle, which is safe travels, right? Or yeah, it is safe travels. Another one is stay sala sentle, which is stay well. Sala sentle. You say this to someone who stays while you are leaving. Yes, you say this to someone who stays back while you are leaving. You tell them stay well, which is sala sentle. Sala sentle. Okay.